Hey, hey, what are you doing? Hey, get away from my car.
That's the good stuff, baby.
My mama said addiction runs like a kazoo vine in my family tree. That preacher said it'll be my death, but I can't quit you for the life of me. When you walk in 10 out of 10 times out of 10, I'm a hell of a mess. I wanna taste your cooking. I know I shouldn't, but girl, I must confess. Like a tall sip of Jackie Coke, sweet child of mine on the radio. Colorado left-hand cigarette smoke. When you turn me on, I just can't turn you down. Like a damn good time, stirring up a dust devil dirt road drive. Backwood 40 on a Saturday night. When you turn me on, I just can't turn you down.
Okay, we are here at site. I want to get in this machine, the Devlon DD130. We've had it for about 4 days. I'm gonna run it for a little bit. The guys have the parking lot. They're wrapping it up today. We'll probably have all the gravel in. There's a lot of thousands of tons of material in this. Darren's been running this thing. Look at this beast. That's pretty cool. Maybe I'll put you guys there. Nice. It's quiet. We are in the Devlon DD130, which is a new machine to the market. It came here about 2 years ago. We were at Komatsu and they had these machines there. This machine weighs around 31,000 pounds. It's equivalent to the new Cat D5, the old Cat D6, John Deere 750 size Dozer, and we had the opportunity to demo this. We've had it for 4 days, and I gotta tell you, I love it. I posted about it on Instagram. This machine brings a lot of, not controversy, but a lot of people are just have a lot to say about it because it's a Korean machine and they're new to the market. If I listen to everybody online, I think everybody would say, oh, these things are junk. It's not. I'm here to tell you that this Devlon is a beautiful machine. I owe nobody anything to say anything good about this machine, so this is my honest opinion on it. Darren has been running it for 4 days. We've had it on this site. Oh, perfect, there's the truck. Okay, I'm gonna flatten out some loads with it. But this machine's been great, super handy, great machine, lots of power. It's quiet, it's got 2D built right into it. 3D, obviously, capabilities with the Trimble. Awesome machine. I'm inside the cab. We're gonna go right into this thing. This is a 21-ton pile. Wow. It is definitely trickier to get onto the electric over hydraulic, I tell you that. We'll go push down his load. He'll probably have 22 ton on. We'll go right through the center of this one. One really cool thing about this machine is that it has independent track systems. I'm probably using the wrong word, but essentially each track has pistons on it, like a bar, so that if you're pushing down with your blade, it will allow the track, instead of lifting up like normally, like on our 450, and you lose traction, it'll actually pivot the track and drop the front of the tracks and allow them to swivel and pivot so that you have maximum traction. That probably would have took me 4 passes to get down that pile on our 450. Super quiet, super smooth machine. I think I'm gonna take this for the next month on rent. For the past 6 months, everyone's been asking about hats, shirts, and I can finally announce after months and months of getting these hats custom made, going back and forth with manufacturers because they're like not just a classic hat. We had these hats made. There's no branding or logo on the inside other than Kenway Construction. They are waterproof. They have work harder on the side. They are sick. They're in tan, black, and white. These are the best hats we've ever had. I've been wearing this for 3 months. 0 sweat marks, stains, nothing. Like, they are so incredibly sick, and I can't wait to see you guys rock them. We have a 90s throwback tee. Why is it 90s throwback tee? When I was a kid, my dad would leave for work every morning. I remember him wearing a classic Kenway Construction white tee tucked into his jeans, looking like a true blue-collar dude. Those are now available down below. I'll put a picture of what the back looks like with the modern logo on the front. I'm rocking it today with the jeans tucked in. Love it. We have Work Harder shorts. We thought it would be hilarious and awesome to make shorts that have Kenway Construction branded on the inside, but Work Harder on the outside. Those are available down below in yellow and orange. Once everything is here and gone, we will never restock it. That's how we do our stuff. Finally, some KWC merch. Get it now before it is gone. Down below, it supports us, supports the channel to keep doing what we're doing, have a videographer, buy more equipment, do all this stuff. So make sure to go down below and check that out. Back to the video.
Somebody save me from myself. I've been so
Okay, we are down here at the old sand pit. Back in this little section is our Elgin sand. Elgin sand is like a concrete spec sand. You can see all in here. This is all land that we've cleared. The area I'm sitting on was all trees and we actually cleared it all. Then there's a layer of peaty topsoil, a layer of sand fill, and then underneath all that is our Elgin. Really difficult stuff to get to, and then we went through a lot of stuff just to get the right testing. So we run through a screener with 8mm harp on it, 8mm flex string, sorry, just to clean it all up. But you can see here actually, so all this, it looks like the grade comes up and then we went out and in and it looks like we didn't know what the hell we were doing. But that actually is because we're following the vein of sand, because underneath is clay layer. And the clay layer kind of popped up in that center part, and then it's opening up here to this fairly large section, which is really nice. So we got this whole section here that we pulled out, and then I'm sitting on a bunch here right now. So really cool, neat stuff. And then below the water, I'm about, I don't know, 3 feet below the water is more sand, depending on water levels, but generally it's about 3 feet. And it comes out really clean, but we still screen it, run it through with the other stuff. Okay, I got my buggy back here now. So that last load, he just weighed himself. He was 31,460 kgs, and that tractor weighs 12,500 with him in it. So that's pretty good. That's what, 18, 19 ton, which is great. You might be asking yourself, why are you loading a John Deere tractor with a dump on behind it? Well, my friend owns a John Deere tractor. We have access to a dump trailer, and I don't want to spend $4,000, $4,500 a week to rent a rock truck when this works just as fine, because we're not going that far. Oh, the one time I film and you can't back it up. I don't think there's a lot of recent footage with me running some iron, so this is neat. I don't actually get the chance. I kind of blocked off this week, and anybody that's asking for meetings or phone call appointments or anything like that, I've actually just been telling them, you know what, this week I'm out of office. And they're like, oh, you took a vacation. No, I'm not a vacation. I guess I'm kind of on a beach. I am in the sand pit.
Yeah, so.
You gotta be careful.
Okay, so this is good. You'll be able to crunch this stuff down into here, Daniel. Just that other side there.
There's nail right there.
Okay, that looks pretty good.
Oh, it's probably a half basement right
That's
here.
what I think, yeah. That's the good stuff, baby.
There's another big pipe back in there too.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, get away from my car. You guys know how much money's sitting in there in that house? You guys are just gonna throw this out? It's at least 2 cases of beer.
We might be able to go for lunch today. Don't mind me, it's the owner of the company. Picking out copper.
Oh, I
found the holy grail. Whoa. That's the money right there, boys.
That's like $10.
I'm going to Florida this winter, baby. Okay, that is a wrap on the video. We had pounded a bunch of good content into that video. Funny thing, hey Taylor, you haven't posted or uploaded in 3 weeks. Yeah, you want to know what happened was the guy behind the camera up and he broke the hard drive. No, we had a hard drive completely explode with all of the footage of like the Dozer coming off brand new, the massive parking lot project that we did. It will be recovered. It is being recovered. It's costing thousands of dollars to recover this hard drive. So like I said earlier in the video, our merch is down below. I just went for a run. Go help us recover the data off the hard drive and buy some merch. I appreciate you guys. Lots of cool projects to come. We are swamped with work. Appreciate it. Catch you guys on the next one. Take care. And of course, I didn't forget you guys, the true patrons of the channel that watched it's been a while, that has watched the entire video to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, KWC gear. Why are you commenting down below KWC gear? Because it has been so long. People have been like, merch, we need merch. We want hats, we want flags, we want this, we want that. Finally, we have KWC gear. So if you watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below KWC gear. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.